Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Raven, and today's video is a compilation of hairstyle ideas for thin edges. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll get a notification whenever we post a new video. Also, if you'd like to see any of the clips featured in this video in its entirety, all of the full videos will be linked in the description box below. Okay, let's get it. In this video, the creator cleverly tackles the challenge of thin edges with a crafty hack using an old lace wig. This hack could be a game changer for anyone dealing with thin edges for a few reasons. First off, it's a smart way to repurpose an old lace wig, making it a cost-effective solution. The cutting and gluing process is pretty straightforward, and you don't need to be a professional to pull it off. It's a DIY project that allows you to take control of your hair care without needing a trip to the salon. None of these hacks are styles I personally would do every day. Some of these methods can clog your pores or be too strenuous on your edges, which can lead to more breakage or less promotion for hair growth in those areas. I'll make exceptions for these styles only for special occasions. This is a creative and practical approach to enhancing your natural hairline. This hack offers a simple yet effective way to achieve fuller looking edges, making it an accessible solution for anyone looking to amp up their hair game without breaking the bank or spending hours in front of the mirror. The curly drawstring ponytail adds a stylish touch, making your hair look polished and put together. This video showcases a very detailed approach to covering thin edges and creating a fuller, more voluminous hairstyle. This method is a great option for covering thin edges because it offers a two-in-one solution. Not only does it address the thin edges, but it also results in a stylish and natural-looking hairstyle. This crochet technique allows for flexibility in styling. You can choose the type and texture of hair, giving you the freedom to create a look that suits your personal style. The use of a flat iron to straighten the ends of curly hair and precise application with lace glue gives the illusion that the hair is growing naturally from the scalp. This results in a seamless and realistic look, making it difficult to distinguish from your natural hair. Overall, this method not only effectively addresses the concern of thin edges, but it also provides a creative and versatile approach to styling, making it an appealing option for those looking to enhance their hair with a natural and fashionable look. Next, this technique offers almost instant results. As the quick cover stick is applied, the thin edges are covered, creating the illusion of fullness. This method is a great option for covering thin edges because it provides a quick and easy solution for achieving the appearance of fuller edges without resorting to more involved or time-consuming techniques. This method also allows for versatility in styling. In the video, she adds a drawstring ponytail and swoops her edges, showcasing how the covered edges can be incorporated into various hairstyles, giving you options to change up your look. For those who prefer a non-permanent fix or want to experiment with a new look, this method provides a temporary solution. If desired, the quick cover stick can be easily washed out. It's important to note that while this method offers a quick and effective solution for cosmetic enhancement, promoting overall hair health through gentle care and natural growth methods remains crucial for long-term results. For individuals looking for an immediate and accessible way to address the appearance of thin edges, this method presents a practical and stylish option. This is the part of the video where I want to talk about hair thinning and alopecia, and also give a few hair growth tips and tricks that might help those with these hair challenges. I would like to make a big disclaimer and say, I am no professional or dermatologist, so please, I can't stress this enough, do your own research. First, I want to start off by saying that people with thin edges or alopecia should never feel ashamed or embarrassed about their hair challenges. Hair thinning and alopecia affect many people, irrespective of age or background. It's crucial to recognize that these issues are common and can be caused by various factors such as genetics, hormonal changes, stress, different medications, your diet, or certain hairstyles. Many factors can contribute to hair issues, and addressing them doesn't diminish a person's value. True beauty comes from confidence, self-love, and embracing individuality. Hair is just one aspect of the overall picture. By taking positive steps towards hair health and embarking on a journey of self-empowerment, we can enhance our confidence and feel beautiful, regardless of the things we view as flaws. Let's get into some tips and tricks on how you can promote hair growth. Choosing gentle hairstyles and minimizing styling stress is crucial for promoting hair growth. Harsh hairstyles, such as tight ponytails, braids, or extensions, can exert tension on the hair shaft and pull at the roots. This constant pulling, if too tight or frequent, can cause hair loss over time. Opting for low manipulation hairstyles or looser hairstyles can help prevent unnecessary stress on the hair. It's also important to choose hair care products wisely. Harsh chemicals in certain shampoos, conditioners, or styling products can strip the hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and more prone to breakage. Sulfate-free, moisturizing products can help maintain the hair's natural moisture balance. Lastly, eating a nutritious diet and staying well hydrated are essential components for promoting robust hair growth. Consuming omega-3 fatty acids and proteins, along with antioxidant-rich foods, act as protectors for your hair follicles against potential damage. Maintaining hydration through regular water intake prevents hair strands from becoming dry and brittle. So, be sure to eat healthy foods and drink lots of water for happy and growing hair. If you made it to the end of this video, please let me know in the comments if you would like us to do a more in-depth video on different ways and remedies you could use to promote hair growth. I also encourage you all to consult a professional or a dermatologist before trying any new methods, especially if you have any health concerns or conditions.